You would be able to actually give them a feature request. They would be able to throw that into, or do the coding and do the unit testing of that code locally, throw it into a pipeline, and then the automation just comes through at the end. No one is doing it beyond the testing. And we're going to get into some QA and development tasks here in a second. But when that data goes into production, it can be thrown into an environment that will auto scale horizontally, so add more CPU or RAM, or vertically, so add more nodes to be able to take that load for the customer demands. And that's what you want essentially with automation.
Awesome. So I know that we spent a lot of time on the architecture aspect, which is, it's great, yeah. Super important part. I guess we kind of, so there was two more items there. I know governance is one of them, and that's always something that we're big on. I don't know if maybe if we should just jump into development, or if just move over to development. All right, so yeah, let's jump back into the development slide, and then we'll kind of take it from here. Art, should we put it over to yourself?
Yeah, sure. Thanks. So our philosophy at Celestial Systems about delivering to a customer's requirement is that we're not delivering a software project. We're actually delivering a software product. And that product is going to live for a very long time in an extremely demanding, heterogeneous IT environment that will be challenged, across many, many different use scenarios. So from the very beginning of the development process, a lot of our customers and a lot of our competitors, they just start coding, right? They go to a YouTube video, how do you code this? And they just start coding. But we take a little bit of a different philosophy than that. And again, it's around software product and the entire software development lifecycle management concepts. So we want to brainstorm and implement a set of best practices for the particular application that we're developing and the product that we have to deliver. So we're always thinking in the beginning about test-driven development. So TDD is, a very powerful way of coding. It takes a lot of discipline. It seems like you're losing ground in the beginning on a project, but you're actually gaining it in the end. And by thinking about test-driven development, you are thinking about how good is your code going to be. And designing and coding elegant code is very important, especially in that continuous integration, continuous deployment environment where you're continually going to be iterating, adding features, functions, enhancements, deploying, adding features, fixing bugs, enhancing, deploying. It's very important that your code is elegant, that it's simple, and that it's built at the component level. Think of it as building Lego building blocks of capability and functionality that not only can you use for this product, but you also might be able to use for other products. And